Question 1. Hemant starts walking in the north direction and travels 5 kilometers. Then he turns to his left and walks 10 kilometers. And then he turns to his left and covers the distance of 5 kilometers. Now, how far is he from his starting point? Now, how far is he from his starting point? The question says Hemant starts walking in the north direction. But first, you need to use direction plans. North, east, south, and west. Okay. Hemant starts walking in the north direction and travels 5 kilometers. Hemant starts walking in the north direction means facing up and travels 5 kilometers. This is the starting point. And then he turns to his left. What is the left direction here? For example, Hemant is there. This is the right direction and this is the left direction. So he turns left and walks 10 kilometers. He turns left and walks 10 kilometers. And then he turns his left and then he turns his left. This is the right and this is the left. So he turns left and covers the distance of 5 kilometers. And again he covers the distance of 5 kilometers. This is B and this is C and this is D. Now, how far is he from his starting? Now, Hemant is there. What is the distance between he from his starting point? Here, BC equals to AD. What is the distance from B and C? 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. So, AD equals to 10 kilometers. So, clearly Hemant is 10 kilometers far from his starting point. So, the answer is 10 kilometers. Indu traveled 9 kilometers to the west. Then she turned right and traveled 7 kilometers. Then turned left and traveled 8 kilometers. Then turned back and traveled 11 kilometers. Then turned right and traveled 7 kilometers. How far is she from her starting point? How far is she from her starting point? First, we need to use direction plans. North, east, south, west. Indu traveled 9 kilometers to the west. What is the direction of west? She traveled. She traveled 9 kilometers to the west direction. And she turned right and traveled 7 kilometers. This is the right direction and this is the left direction. Here she turned right and traveled 7 kilometers. And then she turned left and then she turned left, means this direction. This is the left direction and this is the right direction, and then she turned left and traveled 8 kilometers and traveled 8 kilometers. Then turned back and traveled 11 kilometers. So again she turned back from here to and traveled 11 kilometers. So here already 11 kilometers. Here already she started walking and traveled 8 kilometers. 8 plus 3, 11. So 3 kilometers. She turned back and traveled 8 kilometers. Total distance 8 plus 3, 11 kilometers. Then turned right and traveled 7 kilometers. Then turn right and travel 7 kilometers. This is the left and this is the right. So this is the left direction and travel 7 kilometers. How far is she from her starting point? How far is she from her starting point? D, E, F. So we need to find the distance AF. So BF is equals to CE. So AB equals to BF. Sorry. AF equals to AB minus BF. So what is the value of what is the distance of AB? 9 kilometers. And the distance of BF? CE equals to BF. CE 3 kilometers. So BF equals to 3 kilometers. 9 minus 3, 6 kilometers. AF, the distance between F and A is 6 kilometers. So clearly Indu is 6 kilometers far away from her starting point. So the option is 4, 6 kilometers. Rahul faces north and takes a right turn and moves 5 kilometers, and again takes a left turn and move 10 kilometers, and again takes a right turn and move 10 kilometers, and finally takes a left turn and move another 10 kilometers. What is the minimum distance between starting and the final point? The directions plans north, east, west, south, west. Okay. Rahul faces north, means he faces this direction. He faces this direction. A. And takes a right turn. And takes a right turn, moves 5 kilometers. And he faces only north direction. But he turn in right side and moves 5 kilometers. And again he takes a left turn and move 10 km. He takes a left turn and move 10 km. And again takes a right turn and move 10 km. takes a right turn and move 10 km, and again and finally takes a left turn and move another 10 km and move another 10 km. What is the minimum distance between starting and final point? What is the minimal distance between starting and ending? According to Pythagoras theorem, AE equal to, let AE square equals to AF square, AE square equals to AF square plus FE square. AE equals to square root of AF square plus FE square. What is the value of AF? AF equals to AB plus BF. AB plus BF. BF equal to BF is equals to CD. The distance between C and D is equals to 10 km. So BF equal to 10 km. AF equals to the distance between A and B 5 km plus the distance between B and F 10 km. AF equals to 15. 15 square plus FE square means FE. FE equals to FD plus DE. FD plus DE. What is the value of F and D? FD is equals to BC. The distance between B and C is equals to 10 km. So F and D distance is 10 km. And D and E, the distance is 10 km. So 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. FE square equals to 20 square. 15 square 225 plus 20 square 400. 625, that equals to square root of 625 is equals to 25. So the distance between A and E is 25 kilometers. Clearly, the minimum distance between starting and the final point is 25 kilometers. Hence the option is 3.